Children of God, Saint Blaise was not only a bishop but also a physician, showing an early harmony between faith and healing. Before his arrest, he lived as a hermit in a cave where wild animals were said to gather peacefully around him. During persecution, he was imprisoned for refusing to deny Christ. One popular story tells of a mother who begged Blaise to save her child choking on a fish bone. Through prayer, the child was healed, and this became the source of the blessing of throats. Blaise later endured torture using iron combs meant for carding wool. Despite suffering, he remained calm and faithful until his martyrdom. His quiet courage inspired devotion across East and West, and to this day, people remember him for healing and steadfast faith.